Hi everyone, so let's go through another example here with a function with no returns. So what we're going to look at here is let's set up a function called isValidNumber. So function isValidNumber, and we can see here it has no parameters. So we still put the brackets, the rounded brackets, and then curly brace afterwards. And in the function, we want to initialize the variable check to the value of ABC123. So var, so we'll say var, it is initialize the variable check. So check is equal to, because this has the letters ABC, we have to put quotations. It doesn't matter if it's single or double, but okay, I'll just put double, and then we'll put ABC123. And still it says in the function, so then in the function still write a if-else statement. The if statement will check if the value in check is not a number. So we have to make sure to check to see if this is a number or not. And we can use this method here, isNaN, is basically helping us do the checking for us. And just like that, it's going to determine whether or not it's true or false, because isNaN is checking, is this value really a number or not? So it returns a Boolean value that indicates whether a value is the reserved value nan, not a number. So if it is not a number, then we will console.log, I'll use backticks here, check is not a number. And then else, we will console.log check is a valid number. And I'm just going to call this function underneath, and it'll say isValidNumber. And because it has no parameters, we don't need to pass anything over. This is just basically calling the function, and that's it. So isValidNumber is just right here where the function is, and it's initialized inside the function. So inside the function, it will have this variable. This variable check has the value of ABC123, and we're checking to see, isNaN is checking, is this a number or not? So if it is not a number, then we will console log check, or whatever it is not a number. Else, it will say it is a valid number. So let's try running this and see what it says. ABC is not a number because it's in quotes. And let's also put the functional comments here as well. Because there's no parameter, so we actually don't have to have the @param. It doesn't even show up on its own, but we should add an @description, and it'll say checking to see if a value is a number or not. So this is how you go about setting up a function without a parameter, and then calling that function without any type of value. And then here in this if-else statement, we're just checking to see, using this method here, isNaN, to check if it is not a number. And then else, it'll just default to whatever the message is here.